Welcome to High Oracles Reiki Spiritual Healing Channel. And I wanted to address the question from a lot of you who have been reaching out saying that someone has stolen your inheritance. So this can mean that someone has stolen your star or your birthright or your physical inheritance from your family. Okay, so what we are understanding is that when you are dealing with either of these, then you are dealing with a greedy person, and this type of narcissist is going to use every trick in the book in order to isolate you, in order to move you away from them. They're going to have monitoring spirits around you, and they're going to use those people to control you and keep them in check so that you do not know that they are the physical one that is responsible for attacking your finances, your birthright, or a destiny swap. In other words, they're the greedy ones who have been siphoning your financial energy. So, let's get into some of the ways that this can happen. So many of you already know that when you have those parents or you have those people in your life that will take money from you, that will steal from you, that will put things in your name that will cause you to be in financial restraints later on in life. I've talked to many people who had received bills when they were children that, they were not even old enough to have cars or houses in their names. Their parents had put, utility bills and different the internet or the cable bill in their name and ran up a debt and never paid that debt off in their name. That is a greedy person. That is a person who wants to ruin you financially. That is a person that has siphoned your financial health, especially when they get the major items in your name and create a debt that they had no intentions of paying. So when you are having this and you have to go and confront these parents or these people in your family, this also happens between husbands and wives. Okay, when you have to go and confront these people about taking your credit, running up credit cards and not paying off the debt, then you are addressing those people who are financial narcissists. They are greedy. They do not want you to move forward. They are trying to make sure that you are in constraints, that you cannot leave them, that you will have to take the abuse. They are trying to purposely mess up your credit. They're trying to purposely destroy your name. Okay, so when you're dealing with these types of narcissists, when you start to cleanse them, then usually everything that they had wished for you, everything financially will start to fall apart in their lives. Okay, let's move on to the destiny swap, where a person wants your birthright. They want you to be in their place. They want to be the oldest. There have been many cases that I have dealt with where the parent has outside children and they have told this child, that they're the oldest of their family. Okay, and I have, witnessed these types of children, wanting their older brothers and sisters' birthright because the family, the mother or the father, has drawn a wedge between them, okay, to make them believe that they are the oldest of, this other family, okay, when they're all brothers and sisters. And it's obvious to see that you have an older sibling, that you came after. Okay, so when you're dealing with these types of people who want your birthright, your parents, those siblings that will readily available go along with those parents. They will try to destiny swap with you. They will minimize you. They will put you in fear in the family. They will put you in the background, in the shadow. They do not want you to speak. They do not want you to be seen. And they're going to showcase this other child that they want to have your destiny. Okay, they have stolen your star. They have stolen your gifts. They have stolen your voice and given it to the child that they want to have those gifts. And they have minimized you. And in many cases, they would not help you or support you. And in many cases, they have abandoned you. So this is what has happened when, they want you to be destitute, because they have given your birthright to another sibling. They have destiny swap with you, and it is only a person who is a parental figure that can do this, or a sibling that can do this. I'm sorry, I couldn't get it out, but I got you guys. So, you're going to have to break this type of negative energy, by not looking to them for support. You're going to have to break this type of negative energy that they have sent to you by removing yourself and cleansing this type of negative energy with a spiritual healing cleanse. Okay? So when these people have destiny swap with you, when they want your life, when they want to, your birthright, when they want you to be in competition, and vie for the attention, when you're finding out secrets that they've used your identity, then in many cases, these are, spiritual warlocks and witches that are attacking you and have been attacking you. This is what I mean. They've been attacking you since you were early on. I have so many different cases that say that, they could not afford a place to stay because their parents had used their identity. And then after they confronted them about it, they kicked them out. Okay, they wanted the money. They stole the money that they had been saving. These are people do not have your best intentions. These people that's in your family, they are the narcissists. They are the spiritual narcissists, and they are siphoning your energy. Okay, so you will have these other types of spiritual narcissists, these religious narcissists, who do not want you to move forward in your gift. They can see your light. They want your light. They want your life because they know that there are blessings up on your life. And they are using malevolent tactics. They are using tactics through the holy books, inverted tactics where they are praying your name, over negative energy. They're inserting your name, in negative energy prayers through the holy books. So you have to make sure that when you are dealing with these types of spiritual narcissists, these religious narcissists who want to destiny swap for your gifts, for your blessings, that you are using a spiritual healing method. In many cases, they are going to send the evil eye. They are going to send hexes and curses. They are going to use these hexes and curses through the holy books. I've had to turn a lot of these types of people away from me, because if you are trying to do something malevolent to somebody and you don't have evidence of this person has attacked you, you want to attack somebody, then you are, you're a narcissist. Okay, you're trying to manipulate someone, and, I will have no part of that. Now, if you have, spiritual evidence that a person has been attacking you and, refuses, they're obsessed with you. A lot of these narcissists become obsessed with your energy. And this is what we're talking about here, your financial energy, your birthright. Okay? The destiny swaps. Okay? Many of these people will want to, be you. They will be in competition with you. They will use hexes and curses in order for you to be stagnated in life. A lot of these types of spiritual narcissists, religious narcissists, they will become in competition with you because they want either you to stay up under them and uplift them. They will try to make they will try to place stumbling blocks. They will try to place strongholds in your life so you're unable to leave the church or the holy spaces. They will cause disaster to happen in your life because they do not want you to move and grow and be better than them, or take some of the congregation with them. So they will use malevolent forces. A lot of these narcissists in spiritual spaces, they do not want you to talk to other people around you. Again, they want to keep you in the background. They want you minimized, and they will use malevolent tactics in order to shut you up. They will use malevolent tactics in order to cause disaster in your life, back-to-back relationships, so that you will be dependent upon them, so that you will keep, coming to them for advice, telling them your personal business, so that, they are able to siphon your energy and to control you in that way. And many times they will, insert this type of mind control through the holy books that, they are abusive, and you'll never be anything. Your children will never be anything. You got to keep them in the church and control them. If you're not coming to this church, you're going to hell. So these are the types of control that you are having. And you can also have this type of control in your homes, where a person will tell you that you're nothing without them, and they are controlling your destiny. They're controlling your gifts so that you do not move forward in life. Okay, so that you are they're destiny swapping with your gifts. They're giving you their negative energy and they're taking over the good gifts, and they're distributing those gifts in the way that they want them to, in the family or in their lives. They're using them the way that they want to, and before you know it, they've used you up. Your body, your mind, you're in a brain fog, you're looking older, you're feeling sickly because this person is siphoning your energy to death. So this is why it's very important to get away from those people who are, greedy, those energy siphoning vampires that only want to siphon the financial energy out of you. Like I said, when a person is siphoning your financial energy, they're actually siphoning your health, because these are the blessings that God has sent down and released up on your life, and they see these types of blessings and they do not have those blessings in their life. The longevity, the health, the mental and the physical strength that God has blessed you with, that you're transmuting any kind of negative energy into financial energy. They do not possess that type of knowledge, that type of energy. So your physical energy is your mental and your physical health as well. So this is why these people are attacking your finances. They're attacking your birthright. They are attacking you with destiny swaps, because they want your life. They are in competition with you. They want to belittle you. They want to minimize you in life, your accomplishments. And when you move away from these people, usually it breaks that type of negative energy that they've sent out, and it breaks the spell that they have placed up on you. But you will have to isolate, and once you isolate from them, you will have to use a spiritual healing cleanse in order to break that spiritual residue out of your body, out of your soul, and out of your mind that has been sent to you from those people, especially when it comes to financial, so that you do not carry that lack mentality, moving forward, or that sense of injury where someone was being greedy with you and you're trying to hold on to everything from your wife or your children, in your next relationships. So I hope that you have received this message. Please like, share, and subscribe to me over all of my platforms. Please book your one-on-one life coaching sessions at www.highoracle.com. I'm High Oracle, Reiki spiritual healer. Assalamu alaikum.